What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix startup and black screen issues when launching Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open up your task manager by searching for it in your Start menu search. In the Processes tab, make sure to end programs from running which could change your files or show an overlay while playing the game. In my example, that would be CCleaner, GeForce Experience, Adobe Applications, Discord and Chrome. Next, you should make sure that your firewall and antivirus application is not blocking parts of the software. Search for Firewall in your taskbar search to open up your Firewall and Network Protection System Settings window. On this window, select to allow an app through Firewall. Select to change settings, search for the Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel application and make sure to check it. This will allow you to exclude the application from being blocked by your firewall, and will for some users prevent the issue. In case the problem persists, then open up your Steam library. Here, right-click Master Duel and select Properties. On this window, in the Local Files tab, select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will take a minute to re-download and replace any missing or corrupted game files. In case the issue persists, then make sure that your graphics card driver is up to date. For NVIDIA GPU users, I recommend using the GeForce Experience application. In the Drivers tab, click on Download to automatically download and install the newest driver. After making all of these changes to your OS, you should restart your PC before launching Master Duel again. Lastly, open up your File Explorer and navigate to the drive on which you saved the game on. Program Files, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel, and here right-click the Master Duel application and go to its properties. On this window, make sure that you are in the Compatibility tab and select to disable full screen optimizations and apply your changes. When this is done, you can close this window, right-click your desktop and select Display Settings. Make sure that the scaling is set to 100% and that you're using a normal native resolution. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.